A German newspaper has alleged that France is delaying a European Union order for nearly 2 billion doses of the BioNTech Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine planned for the next 2 years. In its report, German daily Der Welt says the reasons for Paris' hesitation was unclear, but diplomats had speculated it might want French companies to play a bigger role in vaccine production. Der Welt reported that French representatives asked for clarifications and raised questions about vaccine orders at recent meetings of European Union ministers. EU governments fear they may be too late and may lose out on the order because of massive global demand for booster doses as well as vaccine for young people. Japan has extended its COVID-19 emergency in Tokyo and 3 other areas until the end of the month to reduce the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic before the Olympics begin. Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga says the measures would remain in place in the capital and also in Osaka Prefecture and the neighboring prefectures of Hyogo and Kyoto, Fukuoka and Aichi. Minister of the Economy Yasutoshi Nishimura affirmed that earlier measures introduced at the end of last month did not achieve much. These new measures in place, restaurants serving alcohol and large shops have been asked to close. Those who go against the measures will incur fines. All offices will close at 8 p.m. Japan has reported 620,000 infections and more than 10,000 deaths since the start of the pandemic. Osaka, currently the epicenter of Japan's 4th wave of COVID-19, has run out of hospital beds for patients with serious symptoms. So far, slightly more than 2% of the population has received at least 1 dose of the Pfizer vaccine. That is the only vaccine the health ministry has approved. Japan has used just 15% of the stockpile, with 24 million doses sitting in freezers.